guess what I'm doing? I'm sitting at the bank waiting for John to come out because I was smart and I ran through the drive-thru because I don't have boots, so I was not about to go run through the snow. We are venturing out in the snowstorm, and I broke a nail off. Look at that. Broke a nail off. So now I look retarded. But anyways, yeah, it is a winter wonderland. I don't think you can see it. Can you see it? Focus. Focus on the snow. There we go. Yeah, it's a winter wonderland. Focus. Focus on me. Focus on me. Okay. Sorry. So yeah, we're venturing out in the snow. We had to stop at the bank. I gotta stop at the store, and then I gotta go get my kids from the babysitters. So apparently this snowstorm is supposed to last till like 1 in the morning. Yeah, 1 in the morning. So I don't know. Apparently my work is closed tomorrow too, which I wasn't working anyway, so yeah. It's crazy outside. It's crazy outside. It's crazy. So tomorrow I'm off, and so the kids are going to be home with me. So I'm going to sit home tonight, and I'm going to relax. It sucks, though, because I need the money. I really do need the money. But it's okay. So, for all you the Bunny the Bear fans out there, guess what I found out? Chris is back. There will be no new bear. New bear is gone. Joseph is gone, and Chris Hutka's back. Yay! Chris is back. I haven't actually met Chris. I met Joe, because my first show was when Joe was there. So I haven't got to meet Chris yet. But I met Matt. Matt's cool. I met his wife, too. Well, she wasn't his wife at the time they were engaged. But, yeah, she's his wife now. But husband's coming back, so toodles.